Do you want to get nude with me? I mean really, really nude. Nude as in HudaBeauty Nude. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Makeup by Yolie. Yay! And I was not lying. I said let's get nude, and we're gonna get nude with this nude HudaBeauty palette. Yes, that is what this look was created from this palette right here. So, why I chose this palette? Well, let's see. I mean, look at all these colors. I mean, who doesn't want to play with all that sparkle, glitter, and gold, and all those matte, shimmery colors that you see on this palette? I mean, I use this palette alone. I use it with others. So today's inspiration is all about the nude. And I do mean the palette nude. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because there will be more stuff coming in the future. I cannot sing, but you know what I mean. Don't forget to let me know what you think by giving it a thumbs up. You can drop some comments below, and let's get this started. I couldn't think of what I wanted to say, kind of lost it right there, but you get what I mean. Let's get this tutorial started. Let's get this look on and poppin'. I'll see you guys in a second. Bye. Hey guys, the first color we're going to use from this palette is Secret, and pretty much that's going to be our staple transition color to begin this look. So all I'm going to do is just apply it throughout my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with Spanked, and that's pretty much going to be the color that's going to deepen this look a little bit more, and we're going to focus on the outer corners of our eyes. Now I'm going in with Kinky, and this color pretty much we're going to put on the lid and concentrate it mostly on the lid and then blend it out, and this is just to give a good foundation for the color that we're going to apply to make this look pop. I don't know about you guys, but I am loving the names to these colors. As I mentioned, the Kinky color that we placed on the eye, we're now going in with Daydream, and that's that glitter color that's going to make this look pop. And prior to putting on Daydream, I actually put on Concealed, which is also from the palette, and that is what holds on to the glitter more, and you can see it come out a lot more vibrant in the look. Now we're going in with Anastasia's Jet Black Cream Liner, and I'm going to use my angle brush to apply this liner onto my eyes. I'm going in with my Azeredo lashes in Irresistible. I love, love, love their lashes. In with my Huda Beauty's foundation in Baklava and Toffee, and I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. You have no idea how much I love this foundation. Next, I'm going in with my concealer. Now, I know I never really talk about the concealer that I use, and mostly because I bought it at a beauty supply store. I can't tell you how many great finds I find when I'm shopping at a beauty supply store. So this amongst my setting powder are both from a beauty supply store, the same one actually. And I'm going to just blend this out with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going in with my setting powder. It's matte finish. As I mentioned in with the concealer, I found this at a beauty supply store, and I really, really do love it. Usually I just put this around my face just to kind of set the foundation so that it doesn't move.
I don't know if I mentioned, but I also set underneath my eyes with my Laura Mercier setting powder. And now I'm going in with the same setting powder for my overall face, but a shade darker than the color that I had applied earlier, just to add some warmth and to begin to build that contour. I'm now going in with my MAC Peaches blush. I promise you next year I will have new blushes to play with. And then I'm going to finish this look with my versatile Chestnut Makeup Forever lip liner. Last, I'm gonna add my ColourPop lip gloss in Dumpling to make this look complete. And there you have it, guys, the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next year. Ciao!